Want to grow vibrant tomatoes in your garden? Discover the secret to achieving this with the right tips. Today, we dive into the wonderful world of tomatoes, offering step-by-step instructions to ensure your harvest is the best it can be. Stick around to find out how you can have the best tomato harvest yet. Firstly, choose the right tomato variety for your climate and soil. The secret to a vibrant tomato garden lies in the variety you plant. Some tomatoes love warm climates, others prefer cooler soil. Understand your environment and choose accordingly. Remember, the right variety makes all the difference. Next, plant your tomatoes correctly. Dive those seedlings deep into the soil. Their roots need room to grow. Ensure ample space between each plant, they don't like to be crowded. And remember, tomatoes love the sun, so pick a bright spot. Proper planting is a vital step towards vibrant tomatoes. Now focus on taking good care of your tomato plants. Cultivating vibrant tomatoes involves careful watering, ensuring the soil is damp but not soggy. Regular fertilizing with a balanced food helps to support healthy growth. Pruning unnecessary leaves helps the plant focus its energy on fruit production. Lastly, vigilance against pests and diseases is crucial. Use organic pesticides and keep an eye out for any unusual changes. With proper care, your tomato plants will thrive and produce vibrant fruits. Lastly, harvest your tomatoes at the right time. When they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch, that's your cue. Gently twist and pull to pick, avoiding any harm to the plant. Harvesting at the right time ensures you get the most vibrant and tasty tomatoes. You now have the knowledge to grow vibrant tomatoes in your garden. Let's recap. Choosing the right tomato variety is key, followed by proper planting techniques. Remember, your tomato plants need love and care, so keep an eye on them. And when the time comes, harvest them with joy. Now it's your turn to apply these tips and watch your tomatoes thrive. Enjoy your gardening journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.